Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're not working on the Evo. I actually just picked up an engine hoist, the boy Roy over there. Shout out to him for coming through to help me put it together. Slowly but surely, I went ahead and ordered the short block. Details on that later on, but I went ahead and ordered the short block and a few other parts that I need for the resurrection of the Evo 10. Another friend is actually gonna let me borrow his engine stand, so that should be on the way as well. And yeah, slowly but surely making moves to get the Evo 10 back on the road. So today we're actually just gonna do a POV driving video. I'm having withdrawals, you know. I haven't driven an Evo and what has this been? Has it been a month yet? I don't think it's been a month yet, but I'm having withdrawals and I need to drive an Evo. So I'm gonna let Roy drive the Subi and I'm gonna drive his Evo. I think he's what, 460, 470-ish, I think, to the wheels. At the crank, he's got to be making at least 500 horsepower. So this should be fine. I've driven it before, it felt slow, sure, but no, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive that. So I'm gonna put you guys on the GoPro and we'll go from there. Homie Mo is about to take me for a ride in the 8 and I'm excited, so let's do it.
There you go.
I'm not sure how much power he's making, but I know it's a lot.
So you're like, you only feel about about 15% of the power.
Oh,
in this car right now. It's horrible.
Yeah.
But you know me, I'm all about sending it, so let's go.
Right.
Even with this slipping, it's still fast, bro.
What up? Alright, that shit. Might buy, bro. You want like 25 for it.
Oh, really? That's not bad. Depending on how clean it is.
It's not bad. It's pretty clean. But fuck, I don't know how to work on these cars.
I need it, bro. I need it.
11, 8, man.
I need an 8. This car is awesome, bro. This car, I need this, bro. I need this. How much you want? Nah, I'm just kidding.
I'm pretty much gonna end the video here. So yeah, I got my motivation back. Not that I ever left it, but I got to drive Roy's car, got to ride in the Evo 8 over there, and I'm good. If you haven't already, please subscribe so that way you get updates on the Evo 10 build, which is going down here soon, and I will see you guys in the next video.